What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to create a cartoon illustration of Kendrick Lamar. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page, draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So I'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's go to the top left side of each eye. I'm going to draw a smaller circle coming in for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Let's add a fold across the inside of the eye, starting on the left, coming down and bending that out. Now I want to move to the center and draw a short curve, coming down and then up across the bottom edge of the nose. Move up, curve this up, and then down for the bridge of the nose. Let's move down in the center, add a curve for the mouth, going up and then down. Move down and draw a line across the lip. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw in the eyebrows. Start from the outside, bend this up, and then down. Line this up on the right. Let's flatten off the inside with a straight angled line, and we'll taper the eyebrows out towards a point. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now let's add those large braids across the side of the head. From the outside left eye, we're going to step all the way up, bend this out, in, and then out towards the bottom. And we'll line this up on the right. Going out around the eye, in, and then back out. Now going back up to the top, we're going to add some texture along the outside of the braid. Let's start from the left side. Bend this around and then in, step back up to create a fold. I'm just going to continue all the way down towards the bottom. And I want to taper this out towards a point. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go back up to the top of the braid, bend the hairline, going up and then down in the middle, go up and then down towards the right. Now let's go back down towards the bottom and close off the head. Starting underneath the braid, curve this down, across, and then up. Now let's tuck the mustache in underneath the nose. Leave a small gap in the center, go left side. Bend this down and out, and then come straight down. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now along the outside, bend this up over the mouth, up in the middle, down, and then out. And we'll fill the mustache in black. Now I'm going to add that point in the center of the chin, starting from the left side, coming down and up towards the right, and we'll fill that in black. Let's add that beard across the bottom edge, starting underneath the braid, coming down and in, and then bend that back down. And then we'll fill that beard in black. Let's go out to the side of the head and add the ears. Go around the braid and then back in. And now we're going to layer those braids across the top of the head, starting in the middle, going up, bend that down, step back. Just going to work our way around the side of the head with these little curves. Let's add one more coming down on top of the ear. Now I'm going to go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Let's add a fold, starting in the center. We go up, around, and then down. Let's add another set of braids starting in the middle, going up in the middle, and then out. And then again, we're just going to layer this, going across, and then down toward the side of the head. Now let's close off the top of the head, starting on the left, then it's up and in. Mirror this over on the right side. Continue across towards the middle. Close it off with one more curve. Now let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the collar with a V in the middle. Let's move out to the side and draw the edge of the hood. Going around and then bending that in. Let's bend the arms and tuck the hands in behind the center pocket, starting underneath the hood on the left, then the arm going out, and then in. Let's draw the edge of the pocket, going up and in toward the top of the arms. Flatten off the top of the pocket. Let's go back down, cut this down, and then up. Let's go back up to the top of the pocket, draw the edge of the arm going up and then out across the elbows. And then let's draw the side of the body going up and in. Now I want to continue the side of the body coming down underneath the arms on both sides. And we'll close this off with a curve. Let's go back to the center, step down at a curve, going up and down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out, and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, and down and then up on both sides. Let's go back to the left, we're going to round out the foot, going up, we'll bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now I'm going to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. Let's take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Let's add a toe cap from the outside, then this in and then down. Now from the toe cap, then it's up and then in toward the top of the foot. And then we'll separate the laces with two curves along the inside. Along the top of the foot, we're going to add a half circle with the tongue of the shoe. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and close off the legs, then it's out and down on top of the shoe. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Kendrick Lamar. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.